Fortnite. Fortnite. Mafia III. Genres: video game, action, adventure. State of Decay 2. Genres: video game, survival. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Genres: video game, action, survival. Dying Light. Dying Light. Dead by Daylight. Genres: video game, survival, horror. Dead Cells. Dead Cells. Middle-earth: Shadow of War. Genres: video game, action, RPG. Prey. Genres: video game, first-person shooter, stealth. Sea of Thieves. Genres: video game, action, adventure. Battlefield 1. Battlefield 1. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Genres: video game, first-person shooter, tactical shooter. Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Genres: video game, action, adventure, stealth. Tom Clancy's The Division 2. Tom Clancy's The Division 2. Wolfenstein II, The New Colossus. Genres: video game, action, adventure, first-person shooter. Call of Duty WWII. Assassin's Creed Origins. Genres: video game, action, adventure. Hitman. Genres: video game, action, adventure, stealth. Rise of the Tomb Raider. Genres: video game, action, adventure. Far Cry 5. Far Cry 5. Far Cry 4. Far Cry 4. Doom. Genres: video game, action, first-person shooter. Grand Theft Auto V. Genres: video game, action, adventure, racing. Batman: Arkham Knight. Genres: video game, action, adventure. Borderlands 3. Genres: video game, action, role-playing, first-person shooter. Red Dead Redemption. Genres: video game, action, adventure. Fallout 4. Genres: video game, action, RPG. Red Dead Redemption Roman 2. Genres: video game, action, adventure.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.